Hello and welcome to this stop on the motorway in northwestern Poland. This is called Wyszogóra Zachód, and today is the 21st of April 2021. It's now around 8 in the evening, and I am heading towards Dusseldorf. But look at that wonderful sky. You can got a wide open camera like this one here. And so these are the facilities here. Well, not a great deal, you may say, but we do have this toilets here. They seem very clean. Not only that, you've got water, which you could actually use to fill up, which I presume is drinking water. I'm not going to take it in the toilet because I don't think that's the sort of thing you do when you're making a public video. But maybe I'll start a toilet channel one day and then I'll start doing something like that. But no, I don't think I will. That was just a little bit of humour. And also notice it's got some bins here, which is the last place I stopped at. Didn't have the recycling. I had to stick it all in one place. So, what's MOP stand for? Now, I've spoken to many Polish people and they don't know. Fortunately, I do know what it means. It means Miejsce Obsługi Podróżnych. And just to make the point, that is, so there you go. Miejsce, that means place. Obsługi, services. Podróżnych means travellers. So we would say motorway service area, probably, or something like that. And this gives an idea. So here's where we are, but unfortunately the map for most people won't be understandable. So I'm here, tu jesteś, you're here, and there's Novigrad Goleniów. And if you want to go to Świnoujście, formerly Świnemunda, it's up there. Szczecin, there you go. Stettin, formerly, and Kołobrzeg is behind me over in that direction. As this is Poland, there is a sort of picnic area and also a place for the kids to play. And what the good sign is here is there's hardly anyone here. Now, I've spoken in the past the difficulty in finding a place to stop the night. Well, not here. It's not full of lorries. Admittedly, it is a Saturday night, which will make a bit of a difference. But look, we've got all these stacks of space here as well. I think that's brilliant. And look at all the stacks of space over there as well. So, this is where I am. I might even stick this one up in the video on the internet so you see it right away, so you know where I am. Look at that wonderful sky. And so, on my way to Dusseldorf. If you've got any requests for Dusseldorf, you've got to write them down below. And somebody said, are there any special offers on the first day? Well, if there are, unfortunately I don't have a list of them, so I can't give that to you. Anyway, so this is me on the road. I'm going to stop here tonight, I think. You might think it sounds a bit loud, but there's a place, next place down, there's a place in Park for Night, but I fear that as it's a Saturday night in August, it's going to be full of young people in there until about 3 in the morning, it's screeching the tyres and all the rest of it, so I'd rather just stay here. Anyway, all the best.